What we have here, we have a bridge. It's got a slight rock. We found that the rock is between these two abutments. So since it's just a slight rock, I'm not going to cut it. I just partially cut it. Right here you can see, and then I'm just going to what I'm going to try and warp that to bring it back down so I can get rid of that rock. Still have a little rock. I'm going to bring my power up just about 10%. Hit it a few more times, see if I can get it to warp. There we go, the rock is gone.